Well, I just bought this hard drive. It was listed as wiped, so see if we can recover out. I mean, I ain't gonna look at what the stuff is on it, if there is anything on it, because it'd be private, but just want to see if any more recovery software can pull out up. I was going to do a deep scan. I found one file with the clean scan, which had nothing in it, just recycle bin. So far so good. So I'll just keep it going. Probably going to take a little while, so. Okay, so this is really why you don't do it, because as you can see, users David, Richard, Dropbox, all of his Dropbox stuff, camera uploads and movies. "53 videos. Loads of stuff. And they are actually there, I've clicked into them. So, I don't know what the law is on clicking into people's data, but it's my hard drive, so. But I was going to wipe it now, that's why I stopped it earlier. I only got to like 30%. And it says another 50 minutes, so I can't be bothered to wait. I've got to wipe this and use this hard drive today, so. There you go, that's why you don't sell your hard drive without wiping it, because it's unbelievable what stuff people can get off it. All your Dropbox files, all your videos, your photos. I could basically probably recover all this and use his Windows. So there you go, lots of stuff, too much data to give away.